Universal Partners has investments in European private equity. It has a market cap of 961 million rand, no PE or dividend yield.
So the individuals here, again, Peter Gain, who's one of the guys that made money on the Optimum sale of Buffalo Coal and all the rest, London-based. This is European or UK-based finance. And then Larry Nestat is also involved in this one.
Can we have a look at some share price graph?
I don't even think the share price is going to look like anything because these things are only listed for like 6 months at best.
So let's talk about Universal Partners.
Yes, so some RMB ex-executives, correct,
right,
also involved in this
man.
one. So individuals ticks the box, like the individuals involved. Interesting that they raised this just after Brexit. And the stated intent is to invest in private equity businesses in Europe and the UK. And they have announced one investment, which is also connected to one non-executive on the board, which is a dental health business. So a bunch of dentist practices in the UK. Now, I've seen some British teeth, and I do think there's a market there, a growing market for dental services in the UK. So we wait to see how good that business will do, and that's still quite small relative to the capital within the Universal Partners structure. So a good start, but I think we need to wait and see what they do next.
So the stated intent coming to market straight after Brexit is to take advantage of those companies that have been marked down from a valuation perspective as a result of the Brexit phenomenon.
Yes, the fact they listed just after it means that it probably wasn't the intent at the time when they decided to do this. But by the time they got to the listing, they said, hey,
they changed their mandate, and there we go. They were well placed.
Yes.
So there's a currency play here, but look, there's a lot of demand locally for these foreign property stocks and so on, because people are always looking for options to take rands and obtain forex or offshore exposure. So I think that was part of the thinking as well. As we've alluded, quite a talented team, quite likely to find good opportunities. The core executives have relocated to London, which is, you know, all good and well. We'll see. I mean, the healthcare dental space seems fine. I'm going to go not hot. I think it's too early for this one, just to see. And I think there's also substantial currency and Brexit-related potential for upsets and awkwardness.
JP, are you going to follow Paul on this one?
I am. It's also got an incentive structure linked to its pound returns. So the rand appreciation has not been good, but there will still be a fee. So also not hot.
After the